Yes indeed, YouTube, it is your guy. As you can see, we're putting the custom sub back in kid-based a budget piece. What I got for today, y'all, is something real simple, man. Something that I don't know if a lot of people know about, is I still see people like puncturing the surround on their subs. So what I'm going to show you is a way that I use to prevent puncturing the surround on my sub. It's nothing worse than getting a brand new sub or getting a custom sub, getting a rebuilt sub, and then before you can even play it, drill slips off and punctures your sub. So what I use to prevent that is something real simple. I know you guys all seen it before. This little adapter here that goes on the drill. So like I say, it's real simple. You know, everybody's seen them before. A little extension with this piece here. So what I do is, well, I might as well just show you. Like I said, I've already got it installed. But if I wanted to take this sub out without worrying about puncturing the hole, what I would do is simple. I'll get the screwdriver positioned in the screw. That little piece, slide it all the way forward and hold it there. Actually, I'll do this one. It'll be out the way of the camera. Like I say, get it on there, this little piece, pull it forward. You hold it up against the sub while you release it. See? And you pull it out. Keeps the screw protected. Keeps your drill where you want it to be. Now you get the screw out. Real simple like that, YouTube. Put the screws in, same deal. Put your screw. Put the screwdriver or your drill on there. Pull this little piece all the way out. See where it's at? Hold it there. That prevents it from coming off and hitting your surround. As you go back in, like I say, use that other hand to hold it there. Simple like that. Yes indeed, YouTube, man, it's your guy. Quick Tip Tuesdays. And that's how we do it. Anybody who might have missed it, I'll show you again. Get your bit on the screw. On the screw head. It's a little piece that moves. Wonderful. See, mine has had a lot of use. So it actually comes all the way off. But get it on there, push it all the way up, hold it tight, go out. The screw comes out. Going in, same thing. Get your drill bit on the screw head, pull that extension all the way out. Done deal like that. Yes indeed, YouTube. It's your guy with another quick Tip Tuesdays. Quick, yes indeed. We out of here.